Here are some commonly used shortcut keys for Windows and Mac computers. Windows. Ctrl plus C, copy. Ctrl plus X, cut. Ctrl plus V, paste. Ctrl plus Z, undo. Ctrl plus A, select all. Ctrl plus F, find. Ctrl plus S, save. Ctrl plus P, print. Alt plus Tab, switch between open windows. Windows key plus D, show desktop. Windows key plus L, lock computer. Mac. Command plus C, copy. Command plus X, cut. Command plus V, paste. Command plus Z, undo. Command plus A, select all. Command plus F, find. Command plus S, save. Command plus P, print. Command plus Tab, switch between open applications. Command plus H, hide the current application. Command plus Q, quit the current application. Command plus space, open Spotlight search. Control plus Command plus power button, restart computer.